it's hot day.
G'day guys, Ruan here for Forward Africa. Thank you very much for tuning in. So today we're going to be talking about tyre repairs. DIY tyre repair kit. So you're driving in the bush, you get a puncture, you can repair it with yourself. So you've now bought your 4x4, and in my experience the first thing you're going to be buying is a tyre compressor. You can blow up your tyres, and a basic tyre pressure gauge that you'll need for inflating or deflating tyres as the terrain demands it. For a tyre repair, these are the general things I keep. Firstly, a plier to remove whatever might be stuck in the tyre. I would say quite often it is actually a screw of some kind, so you need a screwdriver, a small cutting blade or edge, even a knife will do. You've got the two tools. The one is to clean out the hole after you've removed whatever was inside the tyre, and the second one is to insert the tyre strip or plug. So let me take you guys through the process. Sorry, the strips. To be honest with you, I use these strips mostly on my cars, in my wife's cars. Very rarely have I actually ever had to use it on the four-wheel drive, but it's always nice to keep close by. Alright, so firstly you will remove whatever is stuck in the tyre, whether it be a nail, bolt, screw. Keep your cleaning tool ready. Just to keep the air in. Okay, and then you will basically just get it in there nicely and just work it. Just clean it out properly. Alright. Then next, take out one of your strips. And this will be fed through the hole. And this is where I like using pliers to pull it through. Around halfway should do. If you have tyre cement that comes with the kit, you can pour some tyre cement on it before sticking it into the tyre. And then the keys, one smooth action, pull it out quick. There we go. And lastly, just take a blade and cut off any excess. And there we go. That's how you fix a tire or puncture. So after you're done with this process, you basically sit back and relax. This is my faithful companion, Sally. She's a Jack Russell. So obviously, guys, you can use this process for any tire. It's not specifically for four-wheel drive, four-wheel tires. It can be used on any vehicle. I've used this many times on my normal road cars. Majority of the time done this on normal car tires.